Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting a font-based emoji into Minecraft. Use Java Edition on PC for the simplest path. Download a resource pack or a custom font that includes emoji glyphs, then open your Minecraft Resource Packs folder. Once done, enable the pack in Options right arrow Resource Packs and make sure the pack loads without errors. Keep a backup copy of your originals so you can revert if something conflicts. Next, you edit the font files to map emoji code points to images. Locate assets /Minecraft/font and open the font provider. JSON, add entries for the Unicode positions you want. Reference the emoji sprite sheet in textures. Save and pack the resource pack correctly. Pack. McMeta matters. Once saved, reload the resource packs in-game and test by typing the corresponding Unicode or paste emoji into chat or signs to verify the glyph appears where expected. Finally, you use emoji by typing or pasting the Unicode character into chat, books, or signs. Some systems require an external Unicode input tool. If emoji don't show, check for JSON syntax errors, incorrect file names, or wrong code points. Also confirm UTF-8 encoding. Make sure the resource pack is highest priority. If problems persist, rebuild the pack zip, clear Minecraft's cache, and restart the client.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.